Okay, right. So today we will discuss three topics. One is remove duplicates, methods in data stage, and sorting techniques, methods. Okay, and separating the unique and duplicate records and data stage. Yeah. So this is the agenda for today. So what are the methods that we have? Okay, so we will discuss one by one. Okay, so let's see the PPT. I hope you guys, while you're practicing rates, you're on meditating the topics, you're referring my PPT, the study material. Okay, so database connectors completed. Okay, now let's see. Remove duplicates. Why we will remove duplicates? Why we remove duplicates? Any idea, guys? Why we remove duplicates? What is the criteria? Why we want to remove duplicates? Vinita, why we remove duplicates?
It will be issue at the business end, right? So
But while at the target table, right? While loading into the data into
yeah,
target table. So sometimes you will get this unique constant violation error. Okay. So that is the issue. Okay. And sometimes we receive data from source with the duplicate records, but we want to remove the duplicates before processing to the target. Okay. So we need to remove duplicates and process the data. Okay. So here, what are the ways we can remove duplicates? Okay. So see, to remove duplicates, so there are three ways. One is using remove duplicate stage. Okay. And the second one is sort stage. And the third one is partition method. Partition method. Okay. So these are the three ways where we can remove duplicates. Now let's see. So here remove duplicate stage has single input link and single output link. The main focus here will be removing the duplicates. Okay. And this is one method. And second method is the partition technique. Okay. So here we need to choose hash partition, perform sort. Okay. So here you can see this perform sort option. So perform sort. And you need to click on this unique option. You need to click on this unique option. Okay. And here you can see the key columns that you need to enter here. So what are the key columns? So based on the input data, so there will be key columns in it, source file or target table, source table or target table. So you need to consider the key columns. Okay. And the next one is, and the next one is, okay. And the next one here we have by using sort stage. Okay. So in the sort stage, what we will do? Allow duplicates. So when you set it to false, what happens? Okay. So when you set it to false, then duplicates will be eliminated. Okay. So duplicates will be eliminated. Okay, so this is the other option, third option. Okay, so now for sort stage, to use the sort stage, we need single input link and single output link. Okay, so now let's see the sample exercise. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm taking this sample file. Okay, so for any new exercise, so this is the file. Okay, so here copy this file and place it in source. Okay, so here what you will do now. Okay, so here I will provide the DXS files. Okay, so go to Telegram group. Okay, so you can download this. Just click on this, it will download in your system, and you need to go to download folder. Okay, so copy this, and what you can do, go to VM, place it in a C drive. Okay, now what I will do, go to designer client, go to import. Okay, so here map that file that we have copied from, we have copied to C drive. Yeah, so click on OK, import all, import all the jobs. Click on OK. So here you can see the jobs are getting imported. Okay. So I will explain the processing stages. Okay. So now you have idea. So here we'll be using a sequential file stage. Okay. So I think sequential file stage, you have idea how to practice it, how to extract the data from it, right? So I'm not again defining the sequential file stage. So here, going forward onwards, so we'll be focusing on the processing stages. Okay. See here. So in the repository here, jobs. So here there is Jesse quota assignments. There you can find the jobs in your system. Okay. So now what is, let's go to our exercise sheet. So this is the regular activity that we are supposed to do. What is exercise sheet? Go to exercise sheet, assignment sheets. 23. Okay, so here it's showing sorting. Okay, so sorting we will see. Then we'll go for remove duplicates. Okay, so what is sorting? Sorting is to sort the data either in ascending order or descending order. Sort stage has single input link and single output link, single input link and single output link. Okay, so here we will sort the data either in ascending order or descending order. Okay, so what are the various sort methods that we have? We will see now. Okay, so now let's see. Let's go to data stage, exercise 22, 23. Okay, so here drag and drop the sort stage. Okay, so the input file is this one, the source file. So this is the one. So here, what are the columns are available here? How many columns you are able to see here?
Four.
Hmm?
Four. Four.
Four, four. Okay. So here, first name and last name are the key columns. Name should be one person. Okay. So here there are some repetitive records. If you see Sam Raj, again Sam Raj is repeated here. Raj Khan. So these two records again here repeated here. Okay. Sam Raj, Raj Khan. So wantedly entered duplicates. Okay. So while doing the exercise, okay, first we'll focus on the sorting techniques. Okay. Sorting exercise. Now how we are going to sort the data. Okay. So this is the input file. It's a what type of file it is? It's a pipe delimiter file. Okay. So pipe delimiter file. So double click here. So I have entered the same file. And first line I have entered column name as true and pipe. Okay, we don't have any codes and null field values. Okay, if you want to view the data, view the data, click on OK. Now we are going to sort the data. Okay, so drag and drop sort stage here. Double click on sort stage. Now let's sort the data based on number. So ID column. This column is there ID. Okay, so we'll sort the data. See here, numbers are not in the source, not in sorted order, like 12, 13, 14, 15, 11, 10, 16. So it's in irregular order. Okay, it's not in proper sorted order. Now, while loading to the target, our goal is to sort the data. Okay, so here you need to choose the column ID. Okay, so in the ID, what you are supposed to do, the key column on which column you want to do the sorting. Okay, and the next option is sorting method. Okay, so here we have three options. What are these three options? Sort, uh, grouped sort, and previously sorted. So previously sorted is before coming data to the sort stage, already sorted. Then no need to enter the option. Previously grouped sorted. If you are using aggregator stage and the data is coming already in grouped aggregator sorted manner, then no need to choose this option. Okay, so here if you are sorting previously, then you can choose this particular option. So now we are sorting on the sort stage itself. And what is the sorting order? Either ascending order or descending order. Okay, pick ascending order. And these options, okay, allow duplicates at present. Rest of the options be as it is, as default. Okay, so now let's go to target ID column. I map it to ID column. Okay, so let's do the mapping also. Delete. Okay, let's delete all the columns and repam it again. Okay, so control A, drag and drop. Okay, and ID column I want to bring it to top. Okay, now let's see here. ID, first name, last name, and location. Click on OK. And let's define the target datasort.txt. Okay, and I have given first line as a column name true. I'm using comma separated file. Click on OK. Okay, nullability we're not handling. Nulls we are setting to not null column. So not null means you should set nullability no. Okay, now let's save, compile, and rerun this job. Run this job. So let's see the target. Okay, so these three are previous run file. Okay, so now what is the order that data got sorted? We have sorted based on which column?
ID.
ID, right? So ID, we are able to sort it in which order?
Ascending.
Ascending order. Okay, now let's see. Let's change it to descending order. Okay, so these are very basic fundamentals you should know. Okay, so on each stage, how to use that. Okay, now I'm using descending order. Okay, so now run the job. Okay. Now let's see 77. 7 records, great. Go to target. Now let's see which order data got started. Ascending or descending?
Descending.
Descending. Okay. Now it's working fine. Okay. So what is the other method? So this is one method where by using sort stage where we can sort the data. And the second method is partition technique. Okay. So here in the partition technique, so here let me redevelop the code again. Drag and drop. So double click on, yeah, so the mapping is done already. Go to columns, output column. So here, if you choose auto, nothing will be there. So here is the sorting symbol as is there, right? So that has been gone. Now how we can get the same symbol again? Go to input, partitioning, choose hash partition, choose ID column, perform sort. That's it. So here you can check whether sorting direction either in ascending order or descending order. Okay. So I'm present running with ascending order. Click on OK. So you can change your job. Okay. So while running the second time, you choose in descending order and check. Okay. So click on run. Click on OK. Save, compile, and rerun this job. So I will delete the target file. Run the file. Okay, run the job. Now let's see what will happen. Okay. Now let's see the target. So what is the order we have defined? Ascending, right? So now if you change the sorting direction, it will change, it will sort the data in descending order. Okay. So this is the second method where we can sort the data. Okay. So any questions on 22, I mean 23 and 24 exercise?
In this transformer, we have given hash partitioning, right? Anything else like we can give in the partitioning?
Transformer,
In partitioning, we have given hash.
yes.
Okay, we can give any key based partitioning to sort the data.
Yes, correct, correct. We have to give the key based partitioning. Okay. So here I used this particular modulus partition, whether we can sort the data or not. Okay. So I use modulus partition. So earlier I used a hash partition and perform sort. What is the stable option here? So what is the purpose of stable option? So the purpose of stable option is data won't get shuffled if you enable this. So it will be received as it is, how it is in the source. Okay. And here I used a unique option to remove the duplicates. If there are any duplicates, at present I will enable this. Okay. So here let's see, I'm sorting the data. Okay. So based on I change the columns, ID, I mean first name and last name, not ID. Okay. So click on OK. So just for knowledge sake, I'm sharing this. So first name and last name. Okay. So bring this field to third. Now click on OK. Okay. Now save, compile, and rerun this job. Here, when you're checking the operator argument, first name has maximum 5 length. Maximum 5 length. Okay. So here's what happened. So here when we check the operator field is not supporting type of argument. Okay. So here we use modulus partition. So modulus, what is the purpose of modulus partition? So if you are doing any calculation, only those fields need to be considered. Okay. So go click on ID column. Now click on OK. Whether this ID will support or not, ID column. So here it will support only the numerical columns. Okay. So click on OK. Click on OK. Now save, compile and rerun this job. See here, it will modulus partition, it will support only the numbers columns. I mean numbers data. Okay. See here, it started in ascending order. Okay. So, but hash if we use, we can use numerical data types as well as non-numerical data type. Okay, modulus is used only to sort the data only on a numerical columns. Okay. Yeah. So now let's see. There is a other method where we can sort the data by using target column. Okay. So target in sequential file where you can use sorted match. Okay. Sorted match and perform sort. Choose ID column. Okay. So here change the direction either ascending order, descending order. So click on ascending order. Now save, compile and rerun this job. See here. So we're able to sort the data in the ascending order. Okay. So for example, if you change the sorting direction in descending order, okay, it will sort the data in the descending order. Okay. So these are the four methods where we can sort the data. So in the target data collecting methods, partitioning technique, and by using sort stage. Okay. So these are the three ways where we can sort the data. Partition technique, so, and sort stage. Okay. So and data collecting methods. This is the third way. Okay. So now let's see the output. See, it's in descending order. Okay. Right. So any questions, guys, here on sort stage? So there are some other features in the sort stage. Okay. So handling duplicates, separating the duplicates. So that we will see in today's session only. So any questions here on sort stage? No.
No.
Oh, okay. Right. Right. No. Yeah. So now let's focus on the removing duplicates. Okay. So what are the ways where we can remove duplicates? by using remove duplicate stage. Second one is sort stage and partitioning technique. Okay. So now let's see one by one. The same file as an input. Okay. So remove duplicates. So delete this particular file. Okay. So just drag and drop. So remove duplicate stage has single input link and single output link. Remove duplicates. Just drag and drop remove duplicate stage. So here we used the same file, Gangat Arab. Okay. So click on OK. Nothing changed in the source. So double click on here. Okay. So you need to consider the key columns. Okay. So you need to pick the key columns. One is first name. Okay. And uh, last name. Okay. So here we have option like which record to be written, either first occurrence or last occurrence. Okay. So now let's see with first occurrence. Okay. Now go to target. Okay. So drag and drop all the columns. Okay. Now click on OK and remove duplicates txt. Okay. So I have entered the file, new file, remove duplicates txt. Give the target file name. Okay. First line as a column header and delimiter, comma separated delimiter. Let's delete the target file. Oh, already deleted. Now run the job. So job is running state. Job started running. Okay. Yeah, now it's completed. See here, out of five, 7 records, only 5 records got loaded in this target. Okay. So 2 records got deleted. Now we have to compare which record got deleted. So this is target file and let's see the source file. So this is the source file, right? Now you have to tell me which record has been deleted, either first record or last records. Okay. So by by observing the data, you have to tell me. So Sam Raj 12 and Rajkant 13. So these 2 records are present here. Okay. Rajkant 13, Sam Raj 12. And if you see here, this record 15 and these 2 records are not there. Are you able to see this records ID number 11 and 15? Are you able to see these records in the target file? So target file is towards the right side. Okay. Remove duplicated file. Okay. So are you able to see this record number 15 and 11? Say yes or no.
No. No.
So why it is not reflecting in the target? So why it is not reflecting in the target?
We have removed the duplicates, so
We have removed the duplicates and we requested to retain
only first.
First record.
first record. Okay. So now I will do some small change. I will retain to retain last record. Okay. Now we have to tell me, click on OK. So I will close this file. Okay. I will rerun the job again. Okay. Now let's see here, 15 records. Now let's see which record got retained. Compare with the source. So which record got retained now? Which record got
First,
retained? Yeah, pasta. So we given last, right?
last, okay.
So, okay. So 12 and 13 is not there in the file. Last occurrence got retained. Okay, 15 and 11 is there. Correct. So here we have given retain the last records. Okay, so that is the reason last records got retained here. Okay, so is it clear, guys? This functionality I need to I need to prompt from everyone. Okay.
If
Yes,
we
yes.
have
Yes, yes.
three
Hmm?
duplicate records, means which one it will take, like
Last entry.
last entry means two will be remaining, right? Like the same duplicates will be there.
For example, again Samraj has repeated with some other entries.
Okay.
Okay, so that records will retain.
Okay, last two you are saying.
Hmm.
Oh,
So whether you want to retain first or last, while in the option if you choose right, I
hmm.
want last means last records will retain.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, is there any example where we can use this last occurrence?
Yeah. So this is the example. For example, the transactions are getting updated. Okay. So I want to capture the transaction details of last entries. Okay. Last entries.
Okay.
So in that scenario where we can use lost record to be retained. Okay, so this
Can we
is
use here date, like according to date?
date also we can use. So based on the key columns, you need to we need to consider which record to be retained, either first or last. Okay, so this is one method, and that's sort stage. Okay, so here the same input file, sort stage. Here allow duplicates. Okay, so when you allow set to duplicates true, duplicates will reach to the target. Okay, so now let's see here. First and last name, click on OK. The remaining mapping is the same. Okay, so click on OK. Save, compile, and rerun this job. So here what happens? Here seven records got loaded. Why? I have allowed the duplicates here. True, I said. Now I'm setting it to false. Now click on OK. Okay. Now save, compile, and rerun this job. So here you can see the seven records got loaded. Okay. So there is no change in the output. Duplicates allowed. Okay. So now let's close this file and we will rerun this job. Yeah. Now run this job. Okay. See here, the link 7 records. Here you can see 5 records. What happened to remaining 2 records? What happened? It got deleted. Why it is deleted? Because of duplicates. We have allowed duplicates false means drop the duplicates based on key columns. Okay. Okay. So this is the second method, and third method is partition technique, link partition, I mean data partition and data collecting methods. Here also the same story. Okay, so here earlier in sort, what we did, what we did,
We have selected allow duplicates. It's false.
yeah, so here, uh, perform sort, I have clicked on only perform sort. Now to remove duplicates, you need to click on unique. Okay, so here, auto partition, perform sort. Okay, auto choose hash partition, perform sort, first name, last name. Okay, and to remove duplicates, you need to click on this. So if you don't click on this unique option, what happens? Only data will sort. Okay, duplicates won't remove. To remove duplicates, you need to click on unique. Okay, and what is this stable option? Okay, so that stable option motive is like data will be in the same order, it won't get shuffled. Okay, so click on OK, click on OK. Now save, compile, and rerun this job. Now run, click on run. Okay, yeah, I think job is, yeah, now it's running, it's completed. Let's see the target. See, so here you can see the difference. Okay, 7 records from the input, and it's loaded 5 records. So if you forgot to miss, you want to remove duplicates, and you forgot to miss this enable option. Let's see what happens. Only data will get sorted, but duplicates won't get removed. Okay. Now let's see the difference, guys. See here, 7 records. Here also the 7 records. Why? Just we are sorting the data. If you don't click on this unique option, duplicates won't remove. Okay. So here you can see the target. Okay. So now let's see the output. See here, 7 records. Okay. So whenever if you want to remove duplicates, hash partition, click on unique. Perform sort, click on unique. Okay. So this is the method. Okay. And can we do this in
Jesse, sorry to interrupt.
hmm,
Here we have checked that stable option, right? And
hmm.
also sort option. So stable, if we didn't check the stable means you said it will be data will be shuffled.
Yes, data will be shuffled.
But we have already checked the short option also, right? Why it will get shuffled and what is the use of that stable?
Okay. Yeah, so that's a good question. So here, if you don't check the shuffle, but the records will be duplicate records will be removed. Okay, so but if you check this stable option, what happens? It will delete the it will retain the first records and it will delete the remaining subsequent other records. The same records repeated. Okay, so here let's see the output. Here we have 5 records. Okay, so now let's we'll compare. So here we have check the let's see the input data. Then you can understand better. So this is the input data. Let's see the okay. So this is the input. This is the output. Okay. So here I have checked on stable option. Okay. So when you checked on stable option, what happened? Only the first records will retain. And subsequent repetitive records which are there, the duplicates, that will be removed off. See, 15 and 11 is not there in the output. See, 15 and 11 is there. All right.
Yeah.
Now, what I will do, I will rerun this job again. Okay. I will remove this and I will rerun this job again. Thanks, Vinita. If you don't ask, I won't explain this. Okay, I was, anyone will respond. I mean, anyone will respond on this stable option or not. I was eagerly waiting. Now we have to identify the difference here. Okay, so job started running. Duplicates will be removed, but which record will remove? That is a question mark. So stable, if you click means only first records will retain. Okay. So now we have unchecked the stable option. Now let's see which records will retain. One, two, three, go. See the target. Compare with first one. So which record got retained now?
Last.
last record. So
So
that is the
it's
difference.
like in sort stage we are having return from first and last. That option that is similar to this one.
Yes, yes, yes. So
Oh,
in sort stage also this option is there. Okay, so here in sort stage. So this option stable sort. So set it to true means we need to check this box. Set to true to guarantee that records sort operation that will not rearrange rows that are already properly sorted data. So here data won't get rearranged if you set it to true. So when you enable this, however the data comes from source, it will be as it is. Okay, so true means it will data will be come as it is. And if you check this stable option, it will be data will be as it is from the source. Okay. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So this is about sorting, and there is one more this thing. The here also same exercise. Okay. So partitioning technique, sorted match, same. Okay. You need to enable this. Okay. Same agenda. Now save, compile, and rerun this. So please try to import my jobs into your system. Okay. So while you are practicing, no, so you can refer my jobs. Okay. So that it will save your time. Okay. And also you won't disturb me if you refer my job. So how I did, you can refer my jobs. Click on run. So if you are practicing, I was in a meeting. If I don't respond on time, so your time will be wasted, right? So that is the reason I'm asking you to import my jobs into your system. Okay. So that you can refer my jobs. Okay. So that is the main motive. Okay. So now let's see the target. So here, if you see the number showing 7, but whether the duplicates will remove or not, it will be removed. See here only 5 records. Okay. So here you have to do this comparison. One. Okay. So this is the source and this is the target. Okay. Let me open the target file. So here you have to see some difference. Okay. So what is the difference between both of this? It retained the last records. See, based on the number it took, because since it's a sort operation. Okay, so it's a sort operation, and it's it retained with a number. Okay, so that is the difference. Okay, it has retained 13 and 15. Okay, so 13 is Rajkant and 15 is this one, Shamraj. Okay. So normally this data collecting methods we won't use. Okay, so majority of the scenarios we use, if you want to sort the data, for example, I want to share the downstream of target file to a downstream feed. So in that scenario, I will be using sort stage. Okay. Normally this partitioning technique, sorting and all rarely will used. Okay. So till now we have discussed two topics. Okay. One is data sorting and remove duplicates. Okay. So data sorting methods and remove duplicates. These two topics we have discussed. Then the next one is pending, that is how to remove duplicates. I mean, how to separate the duplicates records in one file, all the unique records in another file. Okay. So here it's very simple, the logic here. So what you are supposed to do, you need to use the sort stage. Okay. The same input file, concat rm. So here I took data file. What is this data file? Oh, okay. Okay. So here I took some another sample. Okay. So copy this data file and place it in source. Okay. So it does not have any column name. Okay. So it has. So here, what are the duplicate records? So duplicate records are 10 and 20. Okay. Unique records. Okay. 30. So now I want to separate all the unique records. Unique record means only repeated once. Okay, so I mean, first occurrence should go to one file and the remaining occurrence should go to another file. Okay, so now here what I will do. So here I choose the key column as data column. So I have mentioned only one column. Okay, since you have only one column. So I'll create key change column, set this option as true. So when you change this option as true, what happens here? New column will be created. Okay, so this is the data. And output, I need data into two files. So file 1 contains 10, 20, and 30. So these are unique records. And file 2 contains duplicates records. So 10, 10, next. Again 10 also is there. Two times. So how many times 10 is repeated? Three times, right?
20 and
So
30.
yeah. So and remaining 20 repeated two times. One already went there. 20. Okay. So 10 repeated three times. One went to here, unique record, and two times duplicate records. Okay. So here we have this, whenever you change this create key change column is equal to true option, we need to do the sort the data on the sort stage itself. Okay. And here what happens? It will create a key change column field. Okay. So what does this key change column it will do? Whatever the data from the input, the first occurrence, okay, 10 has occurred. So it will give the number 1. Of the same number record, same record, 10 is repeated. It will give 0. Again, 10 is repeated. It will give 0. Only 1, it will give only first time. It will give
1.
1. And the remaining subsequent occurrence, it will give 0. 0 means those are duplicate records. Okay. So click on OK. Now you need to tell which is duplicate. Okay. Which is unique record. Now click on OK, save, compile, and run this job. Okay. Okay. So run this. Now you will find the difference. Okay. Okay, so it got completed. See here, data got sorted. So one means what? That's a unique record. Again, same 10 repeated 2 times. So it has given 0. That is a duplicate record. So here 20 repeated first time 1 it has given. Again 20 repeated it has given 0. 30 repeated only 1. Okay. So now how we will separate the duplicate records in one file and unique records in another file? So from here you need to filter the data. From here you need to filter the data. So this is the design. So here we can use switch stage, or you can use, since it is single column filter, we can use switch stage, or you can use filter also. Okay. So I use filter. Okay. So double click here, the same logic, and all the unique records, what I'm doing, I'm sharing into one file. So these are unique record file. Okay. So this is unique records, and this is duplicate records. Okay. So in the sort stage, double click on sort stage. So key change column is equal to 1. So that should be unique records. Okay. So you need to check the link label name. Okay. So this is unique. Okay. And duplicates. Okay. So if it is 0, key change is equal to 0, that is duplicate. Link number is duplicates. Okay. Now let's see the mapping output. Okay. So drag and drop all the columns. Okay. So click on OK. Now save, compile, and run this job. So this is the way where we can separate unique records in one file and duplicate records in another file. Job is still running. It's in blue color. Yeah. See here, out of 6 records, 3 are unique, 3 are duplicates. Okay. So now let's see the target. Unique records. Key change is 1. Okay. And duplicate records. Key change is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the way where we can separate the duplicates and unique records. Okay. So this is one method. We have other method, that is cluster key change column. Okay. So cluster key. So here cluster key, in the sense, we will choose the key columns because previously we have to sort the data. When you use cluster key change column is equal to true, previously you should sort the data. So that is the reason I have sort the data in the partitioning technique. Okay, don't click on unique. Okay, so click on just perform sort. Okay, and remaining options are same. Okay, you need to, whenever if you are using cluster key change column, true means you have to sort the data before. Okay, now click on OK. Now save, compile, and run this job. These are early access files. Let's delete that. Still running. So what is the cluster key saying? The same answer. First occurrence it will give 1, and the remaining subsequent occurrence it will give 0. Okay. So any questions, guys?
We have one more option like previously grouped.
That generally we won't use. If you are using before aggregator stage, it is sorted already. Then in that scenario, we'll use this group previously grouped. Okay. And how we can filter the data? We can filter the data by using switch stage also. Okay. So here I use a cluster key change column, right? Cluster key change column. So here I will use switch stage. Okay. So since it's a single column filter, let's use the switch stage. Just drag and drop. Okay. And consider this duplicate. These are considered as a rejects. Okay. So double click on this. You need to select the selector field. Key change column. Case 1. If it is not found, zeros, it will go to the output. Okay. Check the linking order. Unique and duplicates, right? Okay. So duplicates will go to the reject file. Okay. Come to the target. Mapping is not permitted. Okay. So now what you can do? Column auto match. Click on OK. Now save, compile, and run this job. Three, three. Okay. See here. Duplicates. Correct, huh? Now let's see the unique. Okay. So this is the way where we can separate the duplicates and unique records. Okay. So that's it, guys, for today. So today is somewhat heavy load. Okay. So you have to practice access up to 33. Just to do the import and refer my jobs. Okay. And follow the recording and try to complete the exercises up to 33. Okay. So complete the exercises on the same day so that you can follow, you can refer some other things. Okay. Like taking some different file. Okay. So practice some different exercises. Okay. Yeah. Right. That's it, guys, for today. Okay. So no questions. Any questions? I take it as no.